说中文。
Chinese pot, Chinese pot, Chinese pot. That's the way to learn Chinese. Chinese pot, Chinese pot, Chinese pot. That's the way to learn Chinese.
Hi, welcome to Chinese Pod, coming to you from our studios in Shanghai, China. I'm John.
Hi, I'm Jenny.
And today we have an intermediate lesson.
没错，而且是非常 yummy 非常好吃的一课。
That's right, it's about snacks.
零食
Right, 零食 is 2 second tones, right?
对的，
That's snacks. So Jenny, do you like snacks?
不喜欢，以前喜欢，长大了就
Yeah, I used to eat Pocky a fair amount.
对，请不要免费做广告。
Okay, sorry.
那在今天的对话里面呢，我们会听到好几种零食，
Right, we're going to hear quite a few different kinds of snacks in the dialogue.
有一些是比较中国的，对吧？
Right, most of them are pretty Chinese type snacks.
还有一些是比较国际性的，
Right, they're more international ones that I'm very used to eating in the United States.
是
But of course, I can buy them here in Shanghai as well.
是。那我们今天的对话里面呢，会谈到7种零食，大家可以听一听，看看你能不能都辨别出来。
Right, so you're going to hear 7 different kinds of snacks in the dialogue. So see if you can pick them out of the dialogue.
那我们赶快听对话吧。
All right, let's listen.
你在吃什么？
牛肉干，香辣的，特别好吃。你也来一块。
不要，零食我还是喜欢薯片和巧克力。
那些都是垃圾食品，热量很高的。
你爱吃的鸭脖子、鸡爪子也好不到哪儿去。
哎，这你就不懂了。这些东西可有营养了，还有瓜子、话梅，都是又好吃又健康的。
健康？吃零食才不会健康呢，还是少吃点好。
这就不用你操心了，我不会把它当饭吃的。零食本来就是闲的时候吃的嘛。
那我怎么看你一天到晚都在吃？
哎呀，现在零食的广告和包装都那么诱人，我看了就馋。每次去超市，本来不想买的，可是最后还是买了一大堆。买了，当然要吃喽。
你真是头猪。
这样赶紧开始，第一个词语就是一个零食，叫做牛肉干。牛肉干，
So that's literally it's beef dried.
对，
So it's beef jerky.
是这个是蛮 cross cultural 的零食哈。
Yeah, but Chinese beef jerky is really special because you often see it in like that shiny cellophane. It looks like candy.
哎，
And you
对，
open it up and it's a piece of beef.
就是很小的一粒一粒的，现在
Right.
对吧？
It's beef jerky and it's often 香辣的, right?
香辣的，没错。那现在中国人好像都很爱吃辣，零食也会做辣的口味。
Right. So we know 辣 means spicy. So how is 香辣 different from 辣?
那光是辣呢，别人可能觉得有一点单调，对吧？
A little boring
Hey.
if it's only spicy.
所以香辣就是说，除了辣以外，还有其他的 flavor， 其他的口味。
So it's kind of zesty, spicy.
对对对，
It's got other flavors in there. Okay, so that kind of snack is called
牛肉干，牛肉干，然后口味是香辣的，
okay, 牛肉 second, fourth, and 干 is
第
first
一
tone.
声，对的，然后香辣的啊。那接下来我们再来看2种你很喜欢也很熟悉的零食，就是薯片和巧克力。薯片，巧克力。
All right, so 薯片. All right, so that means potato chips. And it's pretty easy to understand if you look at it because what?
薯，
Yeah, 薯 means potato,
对，片，
and that means chip. Okay, so third tone, fourth tone. 薯片 is potato chips.
薯片，然后巧克力，巧克力，
Yeah, this one is basically a transliteration from chocolate.
对，
And how do you say it again?
巧克力，巧克力，
All right, so that's Q-I-A-O. Third tone, 巧.
对，
And then 克力, 2 fourth tones.
是的，巧克力，
All right, that one's useful.
你喜欢吃？
Maybe.
好，但是这些都是垃圾食品，垃圾食品。
All right, so this I think comes from English as well. 垃圾 means trash, junk.
对
食品 is a kind of food.
对
right? So 垃圾 is 2 first tones?
没错，食品第2声和第3声。
2, 3. Okay. So what is one feature of junk food?
热量很高，热量很高。
Okay, 热量. Literally that means heat quantity.
对，
What we're talking about here is calories.
哎，没错。
Because when you take it back to the chemistry, that's what a calorie is. It's a measure of how much energy can be burned out of the food, right?
是的，这个叫做热量啊。那我们再来看看中国零食吧，
Yeah, these get a little stranger here. Let's see what they are.
好像在上 biology class 哈，就是鸭脖子和鸡爪子，鸭脖子、鸡爪子。
All right, so ya is duck
哎，
and 脖子 is neck.
对，
And that's exactly what it is, isn't it?
是的，而且是一种零食。
And you really have to kind of gnaw on the neck to get the meat out of it.
对对对，
Because the way the bones are in the neck, it's kind of...
John 喜欢吃吗？
I think they taste good, but I'm not particularly fond of gnawing on a duck neck for
对。
some reason.
鸭脖子啊，那还有鸡爪子，鸡爪子，
So 鸡 is chicken,
对，
and 爪子 is the claw of
哎
the，chicken, the foot.
对，那鸡爪子就是传说中的 chicken feet，是外国人听到都很害怕的一种中国食物啊。
Yeah, this is a famous, terrifying Chinese food. So,
鸭脖子、鸡爪子。那因为刚刚这个人说薯片和巧克力都是垃圾食品，
junk food.
对，那他的朋友就说你爱吃的鸭脖子、鸡爪子也好不到哪儿去，也好不到哪儿去。
All right, this is a little hard to understand. It sounds like we're going somewhere.
但是不是的，是在说一种程度，对吧？这个
So literally, it's something like can't good to anywhere.
对，
Can't good to anywhere, as if being good is a kind of verb that takes you somewhere. All right, but this being good, you can't get anywhere because these aren't very good.
是
Greetings, everyone, and welcome to Chinese Pod Trivia. Our first question is, how long will it take you to become an intermediate Chinese speaker using the Chinese Pod app? Is it A, the rest of your life? B, you should already be an intermediate speaker? C, 3 months? Or D, Chinese Pod has an app?
You should already be in.
Ooh, that is incorrect. The correct answer is C, 3 months. That's right. Head over to ChinesePod.com now to register for your access to over 4,000 lessons. Get the Chinese Pod app now on Google Play or the App Store.
All right, so these can't good anywhere because they're not very good for you, right?
没错，也好不到哪儿去啊，就是也不好的意思。那我们接下来再看一个词，叫做营养，营养，
Okay, so that's second tone and third tone.
对，
2 NGs. One for each syllable. 营养.
营养，
All right, that means nutrition.
好
So
像
有营养 means nutritious.
对，有营养，零食都不太有营养吧？
Yeah, not a lot of nutrition in these snacks.
哎，那我们再来看看两种中国零食：瓜子和话梅。瓜子，讲这个你们美国也吃对吧？
Yeah, 瓜子 is like melon seeds, like maybe pumpkin seeds,
对
Or
，watermelon。
watermelon seeds.
但是
OK
在中国那个 sunflower seeds 也被叫做瓜子，虽然 sunflower 不是一个瓜。
Yeah, that's a little strange, isn't it? I
对
never
啊。
thought about that.
嗯，
Anyway, just as a category, these kinds of edible seeds,
对，
they're called 瓜子.
瓜子。但是在中国，瓜子外面那个壳都是留着的，就是你要
Right, when you buy them, they're always in the shell.
对对对，
So part of the so-called fun is to get them out of that shell.
哎，没错，是一个 challenge。吃瓜子。那还有一种零食呢，话梅，话梅，
So that's a kind of like a pickled plum.
对的，
It's usually really sweet.
很酸也会，
Yeah, also sour,
就是我觉得味道很多，还有咸，对吧？
really salty.
有一点
plums.
咸，对的。那话梅呢，吃了以后 会让你的口水比较多。
Really?
对，
Makes you salivate.
是。那这样的话呢，你就可以说更多的话，嘴巴不干，所以叫
So
做
it's called
话梅。
话梅. So this is
对。
说话的话.
是，
话梅. Yeah, it's kind of a weird name, but I guess it makes sense when you say it that way.
话梅。
Okay, Jenny, let's look at one other sentence over here.
好，就
吃
是
零食才不会健康呢。
吃零食才不会健康呢，所以这个重点在才，对吧？
Yeah, what if you don't have this 才? Is it okay?
诶，我们读读看啊，吃零食不会健康，这个就是听起来很平淡。
So it's a little bit more flat,
对。
the tone. But if you add the 才, what does it do?
吃零食才不会健康呢，其实这有点否定以及强调的意思。
All right, so it emphasizes that it's not healthy. Snacks are not healthy.
对，
Okay.
才不会健康。那现在我们看一个词叫做操心，操心，其实这个就是担心的意思啊。
Yeah, Chinese has a lot of words for worry.
对
And 操心, 2 first tones. That's yet another one.
对，操心。这个人说：“我不会把零食当饭吃的，我不会把它当饭吃的。
Yeah, this is an interesting little structure here. 把 something,
当
当 something else to do something.
哦，把
So-
A 当 B 做 C，
So it's 把 snacks, 当
meal 对吧？
a
饭
meal, right? To eat.
吃的。
So I won't treat snacks as food to eat.
对。那我们再来看一个形容零食的用法，就是闲的时候吃，闲的时候吃。
闲, is that an adjective?
对，
So 闲 is like when you have nothing to do.
空闲没有事做的时候。
Okay, when you are leisure,
对，
during your leisure time.
闲的时候啊。
So that's second tone, X-I-A-N.
没错，那这样有没有发现，现在零食的广告和包装都非常诱人，就像我们对话当中说的一样。
Yes, I have found that, Jenny. That is true.
对，那这句话呢也蛮复杂的啊，我们来看一下零食的广告和包装。
All right, so that's snacks, advertising,
对，
and packaging.
哎，这个是包装。
Yeah, 2 first tones, 包装.
对，他们怎么样呢？都非常的诱人，对吧？都那么诱人。
Yeah, this is probably the hardest word in this dialogue, I think. So 诱人 means like to tempt people,
对 ，entice， 对吧？
entice them. All right, so that's 4th tone, 诱.
对，诱人啊，
And then what kind of reaction does it cause?
看了就馋，馋。
All right, so that's 2nd tone, 馋, C-H-A-N.
对，
And that means to have the munchies.
是就是你可能不饿，但是呢就非常想吃或者非常喜欢吃东西，
Yeah, you're not really hungry, but you just want to put something in your mouth and munch away.
这个叫做馋。这样你馋吗？
还好。
还好，不像对话里面最后说你是头猪，
对，
挺有意思。我们再听一遍吧。
好。
你在吃什么？
牛肉干，香辣的，特别好吃。你也来一块。
不要，零食我还是喜欢薯片和巧克力。
那些都是垃圾食品，热量很高的。
你爱吃的鸭脖子、鸡爪子也好不到哪儿去。
哎，这你就不懂了。这些东西可有营养了，还有瓜子、话梅，都是又好吃又健康的。
健康？吃零食才不会健康呢，还是少吃点好。
这就不用你操心了，我不会把它当饭吃的。零食本来就是闲的时候吃的嘛。
那我怎么看你一天到晚都在吃？
哎呀，现在零食的广告和包装都那么诱人，我看了就馋。每次去超市，本来不想买的，可是最后还是买了一大堆。买了，当然要吃喽。
你真是头猪！
希望大家喜欢今天关于零食的课文啊。
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed it, and we also hope you can come to the website and leave us comments. What are your favorite Chinese snacks?
哦 ，Chinese 比较有特色的，对吧？
Yeah, we mentioned some very Chinese snacks in this
对
lesson.
比如鸭脖子、鸡爪子、瓜子和话梅。
Right,
还
very
有
Chinese.
牛肉干，比较 cross cultural。
Yeah, 牛肉干 is pretty international, but
对，
China has its own kinds. But you've probably tried some Chinese snacks that you really like, so let us know what they are.
或者很讨厌的也可以告诉我们啊。那这样我问问你，你最喜欢的中国零食是什么？
I think it must be 麻辣豆腐干.
麻辣豆腐干，真的啊，好像中国很多零食啊，都像吃的菜 dishes， 而不是零食，对
I don't know,
吧
does？that count as a snack?
近几年这个 trend 就是把吃的菜变成零食 ，to snackify
Snackify. That's a good
很多
word.
吃的东西。好，今天我们很开心，希望大家继续回来听 Chinese Pod 的课文。我们下次再见。
See you next time.
As usual, ChinesePod provides an extensive selection of learning materials for this lesson on its website, www.chinesepod.com. You can access this lesson directly with the lesson number,
0579
so just go to www.chinesepod.com/,
0579
and you will find a transcript, vocabulary, and much more. The link again, www.chinesepod.com/.
0579